Okay. Now, if we see, we came to Notepad, and whatever the words which are with the combination of or, we have taken it in the double quotes, uh, and and has been replaced by a symbolic and. I would say, instead of and, it has been replaced with symbolic and. Earlier, our string was same. I'll go with the same string, and instead of symbolic and, we'll keep spelling of and. Okay, as now we replaced. So those are still three ands only. Now we already know that it is limiting us for maximum 5 operators. So now again it has limited with the 3 and, even though we have given a double quotes where we have used only 3 operator, 1, 2, and 3. As already for or it is already broken, but wherein for and it wasn't broken, but still when we have gone only for the 3 ands, it still restricted us. Similarly, this and we replaced with symbolic ands. All the keywords are same as it is. Everything is same as it is. It's just that a and d became symbolic and. And that's where it's again started going through. Now, second use case, after going to the all filters. Okay, let's now give titles. I'll just take a title from words. So as I mentioned, this colon is not supported, but let's try to give. It might give us a result or it might not give us a result, because it might completely ignore this and try to understand only from these terms and give us a result. But syntactically, if it is asking for each and every, then it might not give us the results. So let's see in case if it is giving, and if it is giving, how it is behaving. Okay, so it has ignored this particular software development engineer and still gave the results from the additional combination. But let's see a people like software development engineer like this, software development engineer like this. What did it do? Okay. So this also, I'll just change it. Though it might give us a result, but it would not accurately read it in case if you're not giving in a supported formats. Okay, now we know how we have broken the limitation of particular and limitation of particular or is something Srinivas over here in our community member, he has shared me the idea of how to break the limitation of that particular or. And is something one of a member called Namrata, once she shared, she just missed that mentioning that particular and for one of a string, but still it was showing. Then we dive deep into further and identified that it could be completely removed. We can actually completely remove and replace with and numeral symbolic one, but otherwise we just give a space. Even if we go with this, so now let me just come to home and try running you through two different interesting things. Clear, clear. Okay, in one case we are giving and in another use case we are giving just space, and we'll see how the URL pattern of both the searches looks like. This is the second search. So this was a URL pattern for, let me just keep it down only. So let me remove this. Let me remove this. Now, if you closely observe, for two different patterns, one with symbolic and other with just the space, URL has no change. Java percentage 20, if you see, or 22 Python 22 percentage and all. If you match this URL pattern to this URL pattern, so dot to dot as it is, there is not even a one single additional character over there, or not even a one single additional number. So what is it defines that when we are using and as a symbol or just as a space, LinkedIn is trying to understand that syntax as equally one. It's not defining a two different syntaxes. Understanding of a LinkedIn for this two different syntaxes of space or and is remains same. So if you see here, Java after Java percentage 20, then or percentage 22 Python. Here also Java percentage 20 or percentage 22 Python. So wherever we have given or, and after that we have given a quote, that double quote has understood as a percentage 22. And wherever there is a space, So Java space, so that understood as percentage 20. And in this example, we have used and also. So these are the ones, and or a spaces. Uh, so percentage 20, percentage 26, percentage 26, percentage 20. So percentage 20 is nothing but space, and is a percentage 26. One and is equal to percentage 26. So here we have given two and, that's reason twice percentage 26, percentage 26. Similarly here, so wherever in combination of or, it gone with a percentage 20. And here also a space, percent and or space. So this one was as for a space, this one was for a and. Similarly here also, this one was for a space, this one also for a and. So algorithmically or technically, it has understood as a search language, and or a space, both the syntax as it is. So that's where we remove the limitation of and. So now we remove the limitation of and also we remove the limitation of this particular title, or also we have removed the limitation. Now going beyond, let me just go to people. All filters. I think it's not taking this heavy. Let me reduce. It's taking, but now it started behaving. Okay, let me come to this search. So neither it's showing error, nothing, but it's saying it's their fault. So maybe they're trying to catch. I don't know what they're trying to do. So in the interest of uh, time, let's move little fast in that case. So now again, I go all filters. And now here we have something called schools. Also here we have something called school. So here is that we are writing a text. So wherever we have a text box to enter, over there in that particular text box, it's a limitation of maximum 5 operator, which includes and or and 6 terms. But wherever we have an option to select like this and create a drop down, let's say I'll say Berlin Institute first and show filters. Okay, so um, 1100, then I'll start adding all the list of colleges. Just type IIT and you'll get all the list of IITs and start picking up one by one. Okay. After that, I'll go for NIT. I'll just type NIT. I don't really have to type entire name of the college. This might be useful when you're running employer referrals. Just create one search like this and share a URL with them and tell them that just try to generate the leads. They don't really have to start the searches right from the beginning and all. We just directly go give a kind of a skills, kind of a keyword, kind of a title we would see, and select all the colleges and just share it with our SDEs or our hiring manager and just say them that in your first degree connection, you can see in case if someone is actively looking out, we'll cover that. Okay, so let me just see. So we have added 25 schools. So similarly, I've seen the searches where I have added almost more than 50 institutes. So if you can see here, there are 53 schools which have added. So there is no such limitation. If there is also, I'm not really sure what's the limitation, but when we're adding from this particular drop down, we can add as many schools as possible. Similarly, when we're adding from the drop down for these companies, we can add as many companies as possible. And now after giving these searches and all everything, including title and the school as well, keywords, it's showing me the top 5 results. So what does it mean? These are the top 5 companies. How it's calculating means, like in LinkedIn Recruiter, once we give a search, then we go to search inside, it shows us which are the top 10 which are the top 10 companies which are matching our search criteria. Similarly, for this particular search criteria, backend algorithm is calculating and giving us something like these are the top companies which has a maximum number of candidates matching a search criteria. Something like if I say let me select only Microsoft and see what are the numbers. So 462 in Microsoft. So we know that we also had Walmart in this list. So Walmart has many names. Let me just check something else. Oracle. So Oracle has 176. So even the order which it has given, I think that order is also close to accurate. Not accurate, I would say, but yes, close to. So 289. So if you see Microsoft has somewhere 400 change, then Google has 289. It has little lesser than Facebook. It has 123. Then Amazon. It has 75. Then I'll add maybe Flipkart. Okay, so Flipkart has only 9. So now you see the behavior. We seen only 9. Okay, it's still showing only top 5, but otherwise in LinkedIn Recruiter, if I see now, it would give me all the list of companies which has over and above 9. But this is purely for a free version of a LinkedIn, so let's cover only on this. So let me select companies now. So similarly, when I go to add companies, I'm just typing an alphabet just to move fast. Sometimes if we are not aware of what kind of a companies we can target, just typing an alphabet should be good enough. In a backend, it started calculating what are the top companies matching our search criteria and which starts with A or B or C, and it started suggesting. So that particular alphabet could be in the entire name of the company also. Like B, it got IBM. In A also, Bank of America was coming because A alphabet is there. So what I'm trying to express here is whatever we are picking from the drop down, we do not have a limitation. We can pick as many number of companies or as many number of schools from the drop down, but wherein when it comes to a text box to enter our searches, that is where we have a limitation for and or. That also we can break it by using this various additional things. And then services we have to add. Maybe if I say uh, I'll just go for internet industry. So instead of only targeting companies, I'll target maybe by industry. So those are all the filters for free of cost LinkedIn has given us just to utilize it. If we're using a basic, if we're sticking to that basic 5 operators also, still there are so many additional features we can in fact use it. Now, after giving all this, a lot many people ask me, how shall we go about year of experience? So let me remove this now. So whoever has a Zoom license, just please share in the end of 10 minutes so that we continue our session. So let me not target the companies. Okay. So here we have it. So industry also let me not, but otherwise additional industries also we can add in case if you want. Now adding additional year of experience, YOE, colon 4. So here, what did we use? Did we use and or space? No, we just use space over here. So I just go YOE4, this 4,000 results will reduce now. YOE4 and space and remaining search remains as it is. So now this will give me, okay, it was already here. In fact, I think it was from the save searches game. I don't know. Let's say if I go for YOE5, 451, let's say YOE6, 457. Okay, fine. Now, YOE6, what this operator is doing in the experience field of a candidate, it gives minimum 6 years and maximum 7 years. There might be little false positive results considering people have mentioned their education details also as a part of their experience. So if I want between 6 to 7, I will go with YOE6. If I want between 3 to 4, I'll go with YOE3. If I want somewhere around 10 years, I'll go with YOE10, like that. I'm going to 46th page. Okay, let me come back to 45th page. So some of the last pages. Now let's see the use cases. So here we have given YOE6, but it says YOE4. No, dot dot is a Google syntax. Now we are on a LinkedIn. So here, though he says 6, but it gives us a result, a count of this 6 to 7 completely from the experience field. So if you see internship, he started in 2014, this 2 months, and then 2.3, that makes 2.5, 1 year, 3.5, 4, 5, and then 8 months, almost 5.8. And yeah, it's crossing 3, in fact, 6.3 it's making up. Similarly, if we come here, so here 2, here 4, 6, and minimum 6, maximum 7. Is my screen blur for everyone? Can
Yes.
someone? Huh?
Yes, it was.
Yes, yes.
Now
It's still
Getting
blur.
better. Nikhil
let me stop
Vyas
the
is a
share and
little
again
blurry.
reshare. Let me stop the share and reshare. So please unmute yourself in case if you have any errors like that. Please unmute yourself. Now can you see?
Yes. Much better. A
So I
little
was.
hazy still, but
Still
So
it
what
is blur.
is it blur?
Yeah, yeah.
I think it's
Now
taking
it's
time
better.
to become clearer.
Maybe internet. Mine is good only.
It's clear now.
It's
Yeah?
better now. It's better now.
Okay, fine. Maybe internet is fluctuating. So I was telling YOE 6 we have given and open couple of profile. Like if you see this also 2 plus 4, minimum 6 and maximum 7. 4 and 4.10 months. And then whatever he has mentioned in the experience range, it's calculating from there. And that's where we got minimum 6, 4, this all 4 years, 4.10, 6 months, and then 1 year, 5 months. That makes between 6 to 7. So he started somewhere in 2013, 6 months, 3 years, 8 months, 2 year, 8 months, 5 months. That's again makes something between 6 to 7. So this would take an entire calculation from the experience field and give us a results within that particular experience range. So this also, if you see here and there, he has mentioned here 2014 to 5, but and everything if you keep and calculate together, it would not go beyond 7 years. In case if it is going beyond also, maybe with a few months, maybe 7.5, 7.6 max, but very few cases, only 5 to 10% cases. But in an interest of time, let's move forward. I would not say spend more time on a calculating 1 month, 2 months and all. But overall, just take a rough idea. So these are the from the last pages. So here 4.2 and here also somewhere 2015, 2014, 2013, some 3 months to 2 months like that it is. So I'm still not going through in depth, but otherwise if you see overall 3 months, 3 months, 6 months, then 2 months, 8 months, then again 3 months, 11 months, then again 3 months. Actual here also is doing an internship only, which still now including this, it makes somewhere close to 1 year tutor. Now from here, it's experience started 1.4, 1.7, 1.8, then 2, maybe around 3.5. So like that. So again, it goes, if you calculate everything 4 plus all this, it would fall under minimum 6 and maximum those many 7. And this was again a one more profile from the last pages. Though she has mentioned from here 4 years, it's not taking from the text, it's calculating from here. So we would get disconnected in next 10 minutes. So we might have to relog in using the same details. 2, 4, 2, 4. Yeah, that is also somewhere between 6 to 7. So that's how we give year of experience. So moving on to the next. Okay, so here itself we have a create a search alert, which we can actually in fact create for a minimum a week. Like if I go earlier, I believe we had it for the days also, but now it has become minimum a week. But otherwise, in case if you want to track it in free LinkedIn version, we have a limitation of searches for a month. So instead of starting it all over again all the time, once we feel that okay fine, this is the perfect search which I can use it always, then just bookmark it. And once you bookmark it, whenever you just go through that particular bookmark, you have a bookmarks over here. So similarly, now one of a search recently when I was running up an employer referral program with my SDEs. So what I've done is like just created a basic search and which has the results of open for or open for new opportunity, looking for new opportunity, such kind of a words, and with a targeted list of schools across India and targeted list of titles. And in my first degree, so I could see in my first degree there are like 12 people who would be matching. So there are few who has mentioned open source or something, but there might be some cases who would be open for new opportunity, something like this also. If I add additional things, so they just check in their first degree connections and just see whoever is active. Otherwise they can always message their colleagues or ex-colleagues or their alumni from the colleges if they see in their first degree connection, because this is something open for. But if I remove open for, or maybe I'll just go here. So this is from entire network. And maybe if I'm asking my hiring managers or my software engineers in my organization, just I'll just share this particular search. I insert in one particular link. I'll just share this particular search with them. They just have to log in and see whoever falls under their first degree connection, and immediately they can message whom they know. And that's how we generate a more quality leads when it comes to the employer referral programs. So yeah, we've broken a limit of and, we've broken a limit of or. We know how to give a year of experience. Now, second thing, instead of giving year of experience, let's say I wanted someone who has completed their education in a particular year. Then I go with END, end year, end year 2016. So what did I use here? Did we use space or and we use space? Okay. So now this will give us a result who have completed their education, means they would have completed their 10th, they would have completed their bachelor's, or they would have completed their master's. They would have completed something or the other in that particular year in 2016. So it will give us a results of a candidate. Is it still blur?
No.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now if you see, let me just take this search here.
Can you share that link of the open for new opportunities at some point in time?
I'll share it.
The keywords.
I'll share it.
Thank you.
I'll just take some other pages also instead of picking it from the first or second page. And if you see, most of them are from the product companies, most of them from the some good premium institutes. So I just clicked on that dots. It's landed here. Otherwise, which page are we? 9th page. So let me just come here. and see where is that. Okay, so it shows page equal to 9. I'll say I want to go for 20th page. So that 9, we make it 20 in a URL. Okay, and we landed in a 20th page. Okay, now let's review these profiles. As we have given end year 2016, and as I mentioned, now from their education field, they would have completed either their 10th bachelor's or master's in the year 2016. Most of the results you will see, they would have completed their bachelor's in the year 2016. Like this was the first case. Moving on to second. Similarly, we can see start year also. So this is his education thing. 2016, he has completed his bachelor's. Is it blur, Ankit, again?
Yes, Shiv.
Again, it got blur. Maybe my internet is fluctuating today. Let me stop and reshare once more. Okay, now again, if you see, this person would have completed something in 2016. Yeah, he has completed his bachelor's in 2016. Moving on to next. She also completed her bachelor's in 2016. Master's in 2016. So it's not necessary it would show the highest education they have completed. It could show a profiles who have completed even their intermediate also in 2016. It just takes end date 2016, anything from the education field. But in 90% of our cases, it will give us the results what we need. Like if you see in this, these many randomly we pick the profiles and seen. Most of the cases we got who has completed their education in 20. So if you see, he has completed his master's in 2019, but wherein bachelor's in 2016. So it could give from the entire education field, whatever they would have mentioned, completed in 2016. So yeah, he has completed his high school in 2011, but wherein in 2016, he's completed his bachelor's. Similarly, instead of end, if I say start year. Now we would see profiles who has started something or the other in 2016. So maybe something this could be useful if you're looking for some data scientist moving into data engineering role. You want a functional experience, previous data science experience, or data analytic experience, data analyst moving into data science or data engineering role. Maybe you want to look for functionally person has started with 3 to 4 years into the data analytics, now doing some certifications in data science or data analytics. Try making a combination of such keywords so that we get people data analyst as a title. We still get paper data analyst as a title, but when we say start year something in 2020, they might be taking up some certifications for that particular skill to upgrade from data analyst person wanted to move to data engineer. Now if you see, we have given start year, and these are the people, they would have started something or the other under the education field in the year 2020.